Cardano just did a massive fake out, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Cardano, I did not make a video yesterday because of the fact I was waiting to see if this moveset was going to be a fake out. We knew the fact that CPI data was going to come out, and I was expecting more volatility. And you guys can see that we did have a break of this support level here at 30 cents and a very clean move to the downside. But then we found another midterm support. I warned many times about these midterm support levels before, and you can see we pretty much created the same sort of formation with a very strong bullish engulfing candle, and as of right now we are testing this support level once again. Ideally, what I'm looking for Cardano right now is, of course, if we do hold above this 30-cent level, we could be looking for a continuation to retest this major resistance here at 34. As you guys already know from previous price analysis, this 34 cent has acted as a very strong resistance point, so ideally from Cardano's perspective, getting above that level and finding a support is going to be very bullish. Now, of course, if this moveset is a fake out, you can see that we do have a beautiful liquidity grab and a bearish candlestick formation to the downside. What we are looking for is to see whether or not we start to use these levels as resistance. If, of course, the exponential moving averages do come up and we do break these levels and come back down in order to use these as resistance, then we can start looking for our overall level here at 28. I've mentioned this to you guys many times. The reason why this 28-cent support level is important to me is because the fact that it acts as a very strong daily support. Ideally on Cardano, I'm waiting to see how this level is going to react and a strong V-shaped formation. I'm looking for something exactly like we saw up here in terms of the previous support level test on 30 cents. You can see we saw a huge bearish move to the downside, a strong V-shaped formation, but we just couldn't break above the exponential moving averages. Ideally, if we do have another continuation, we could be looking for a move set like this and then continuation in an uptrend. But as of right now, after this large waterfall to the downside, you guys already know I've been mentioning this many times. When you consolidate after a large move, that usually tends to be another leg to the downside. Of course, if that 28-cent level is broken, then we will be looking for our major capitulation level here at 13 cents and then a possible bottom for formation on these altcoins, right? When we talk about bottom formations, I want to be very specific. I don't necessarily think the fact that, of course, Cardano is in these low trends right now in these price ranges. A lot of people are thinking the fact that this is a bottom range and they're going to miss out on price action if they don't buy. I want to explain to you guys something. Of course, right now the prices are near 2019 lows, but we have to keep in mind that bottoms usually tend to last for a few months. They don't last for a day or 2 days and then continuation unless it is a capitulation. And during capitulation, that's when the markets are most volatile, and obviously there's a lot more panic in the markets, right? So what you're looking for, of course, if there is extreme fear, extreme everything, then you could have looked for a major level support level to be tested. And that's exactly why I've been mentioning it throughout my videos, that this 13-cent level will act as a capitulation level. We could easily see a capitulation to that 13 cents and then, of course, a bounce and a consolidation for a long time, but that level may not be tested once again. So in terms of daily support levels, just so you guys understand, that that's a level we're going to keeping an eye on. If you can get a buy opportunity, of course, at that level would be amazing, but if not, even if you get somewhat near that level in terms of DCA, it might not be a bad idea. Of course, looking at the hourly time frames on Cardano, you can see that we are above the exponential moving averages, starting to see that little support level being tested, but we are starting to see more and more bearish candlesticks. You can see that we saw this beautiful doji here on the 1 hour time frame, and then that continuation in terms of a bearish engulfing, and then the moves to the downside, breaking below these exponential moving averages. And as of right now, we just aren't seeing that volume aspect there. Of course, we could say the fact that we were in terms of RSI on the overbought conditions, but right now we have to make sure the fact that the bulls do not lose control of this 30-cent level and actually use that level as resistance. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.